In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to set up an analytics tag in Google Tag Manager. So first of all, you want to open up Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics in your browser, and then go to the appropriate profile for each. So in this example, we're going to use Detox Fit. First of all, you want to head over to Analytics, click on Admin, and then find Property Settings. Find the UA number or the tracking ID, copy that, go back into Google Tag Manager, then find the selection here, tags. Analytics tag is actually set up on this account already, but for demonstration purposes I'm going to just set it up again. So I'm going to click New, then Google Analytics will be the name. We're going to configure first, click Universal Analytics, wait for that to load, and then in the tracking ID field we're going to paste what we just copied. The track type will be page view. More settings, advanced settings, leave as is for now. And then in the triggering section, if it hasn't already been created, then you want to create an all pages trigger. So in this instance, it's already created, so we're just going to select all pages. To actually create a new one, you would click the plus button, name the trigger, pages, and then choose the actual trigger type. So in this case it would be a page view. And then this trigger fires on all pages because we want Google Analytics to track every page that we have created, which could be, in this case, the actual landing page itself and the actual thank you page, which will get paid after someone completes a form on push pages landing page. So that's already been set up anyway. We'll just exit out of that, start changes. We have got the all pages triggers already set up, so we're just going to select that, press save. And there you go, it's all already been created, Google Analytics 2. Next thing to do is to preview. We'll click preview button here. Once that's done, go over to a new tab in your browser and go to the landing page in question. And then at the bottom of the screen you'll see kind of a table, and then under the title tags filed on this page you should see the tag you just created. In this case it's Google Analytics 2. If it's not under this title, then it's not set up correctly. If it's not set up correctly, then it would be under this title, which is called tags not fired on this page, in which case you'll have to go back into Tag Manager and troubleshoot why that is the case. So okay, we've found out that it's been set up correctly. We're going to go back into Tag Manager, we're going to leave the preview mode, and then we're going to publish the tag we just made. So in the next video I'll show you how to actually set up the goal, which will be setting up the actual goal for the actual thank you page, so we can then import that into AdWords and actually start tracking when someone fills in the form on our landing page.